Anti-rabies treatment. I mentioned one third, and one third. One third is local treatment of the site of bite. Next one third is anti-rabies serum, and only another one third is anti-rabies vaccine. And I mentioned most of the doctors just they give only anti-rabies vaccine, and that is only one third of the treatment, one third of the anti-rabies treatment. So I explain in detail what is local treatment of the wound, the site of bite. We have to wash with soap and water, plenty of water. Of course, in anti-rabies unit, they ask the patient to go to the next toilet. The soap, Life-Buoy soap is kept. They request the patient to wash the wound with plenty of water. And then next one third is anti-rabies serum. Anti-rabies serum, equine rabies immunoglobulin, human rabies immunoglobulin, monoclonal antibodies, all these things we have discussed in my previous program. Now, what is anti-rabies vaccine? Anti-rabies vaccine, it is for active immunity, for fairly prolonged immunity. To protect any person against rabies, just 0.5 units of antibody must be there. And if we give anti-rabies vaccine, even after 1 year, 365 days, it is observed that the antibody titer is above the protective level. So, we have to give anti-rabies vaccine in addition to local treatment and anti-rabies serum. Anti-rabies vaccine must be given to the arm only, to the deltoid muscle only. It should not be given to the gluteus muscle, because the gluteal pad of fat may come in the way of the absorption of the vaccine. It may delay. What we are worried about rabies is the incubation period. If the bite is on the face, then through the facial nerves, the virus may migrate centripetally at the rate of 3 millimeter per day and reach the brain, and the patient develop rabies. So the incubation period depends on the site of bite, severity of bite, protection that is provided by the cloths. All these factors play very important role. It determines the incubation period of rabies. Now, anti-rabies vaccine. Coming to anti-rabies vaccine, the dosage. I told you it must be given to the deltoid only, not to the gluteus muscle. So the dosage of, irrespective of the vaccine, dosage is 0.5 ml. Whether it is Rabipur, Verorab, Vaxirab, there are so many brands available nowadays. Rabipur was the first anti-rabies vaccine that was made available. We should be grateful to the Rabipur people. And the dosage is 0, 3, 7, 14 and 28th day. 0, that doesn't mean that the day of bite. See, for example, the day of bite was say 7 days before, and today you are giving the first dose, and that is 0, not the day of bite. See, sometimes so much confusion that, oh, you have missed 8, after 7 days you are coming, so you have missed 0, you have missed 3, you have missed 7. No, today I am giving the first dose of anti-rabies vaccine, that is day 0, and then 3, that is on the 3rd day, 7th day, 14th day and 28th day. In fact, in one of the scientific sessions, just casually I asked, why not every day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that? As we were giving the sheep brain cell vaccine every day, we were giving subcutaneously around the umbilicus, 14 injection. Then after the 14th day, 1 week after the 14th day, then the 2 weeks after the first dose, the second booster dose, painful procedure. Thank God, now that sheep brain cell is stopped. Nowhere it is available. We have stopped manufacturing that sheep brain cell vaccine. Now very good tissue culture vaccine is available, and in fact, because of the good tissue culture vaccine is available, and that is one of the very important reason for decline of rabies cases in India. In fact, all of you know that highest number of rabies cases in the world, it is occurring in India. In fact, the study was conducted in KIMS, and the training was given to different professors of community medicine, representative of Indian Medical College, India, different medical colleges, community medicine professors were requested, and they were trained, and they went back and they calculated the total number of rabies cases. The detailed methodology was explained to them. Now, the anti-rabies vaccine is given in this way. In fact, the third dose, then the 7th day, and then the 14th day, probably the 0, and then the third day, probably it will act as a booster dose of the first dose, and then the 7th day, 14th day, and then the 20th day, probably every dose will boost the effect of the previous dose, and ultimately, thank God, we are able to control rabies. So, control rabies. In fact, National Rabies Control Program is a reality now. It was not a national program. Thanks to the Department of Community Medicine, they fought the rabies. The association is there. Association of Prevention and Control of Rabies in India, APCRI, it is there. Dr. Sudarshan, the contribution of Dr. Sudarshan, now Dr. Ashwath Narayan is heading that association. So I congratulate all these people, appreciate them for their contribution to the field of rabies. Now it is not the responsibility of only one person. It is the responsibility of every doctor. Every doctor must be oriented regarding anti-rabies vaccine, and then only we will be in a position to control rabies. Thank you.